What up? Winbush here. And if your computer is at a low spec and you're having trouble running Unreal Engine 5, here's some tips for you guys. So if you come up here in the top right hand corner, you can see right here where it says settings. If you come down here to where it says scalability, we have engine scalability settings. Now, right now, if you click on auto, this is going to give you the settings that it thinks is best for your machine. So if I click on auto, mine is just going to make it epic. I do have a pretty good machine here, but let's say that you have maybe like a mid-level to lower end PC or laptop. You can always come over here. You could just hit medium. It's going to pause for a second, and that's because it's going to compile all the shaders here and everything. But if you wanted to as well, you can always come in here and kind of just pick out each one of these things as you want it. So maybe if you wanted like view distance to be near, but you want an anti-aliasing to be epic or cinematic, you have that discretion. If I come right here where we have these three lines, you can see right here it says show FPS. You can actually click on this, and this is going to show you your frame rate that you're getting here. So if I'm navigating through my scene here, I'm just holding down right click, hit WASD, just to kind of move around my scene. You can see how the frame rate is reacting. Like we have some reflective materials in here, we have some lights, we have all different type of stuff happening in here, and at a medium quality, it's holding up at a pretty good frame rate. And if you look right here, this will pop up in your menu once you start messing with the scalability, but you can always click on this as well to kind of change everything in here as well. Now, another tip, if you come back over here to settings, you come down here to material quality settings, and you can actually change your material quality here as well. Now, these are two tips to actually get you guys set up to have Unreal running pretty good on your system, but there is one caveat. If you're going to be rendering, there is a setting that you want to make sure that you click before you render everything out. Now, in order to show you guys this, I'm actually going to come up here. I'm going to add new level sequence. I'm just going to leave it at default because I would need a sequence in here just to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to click on the camera, just add a camera in here real quick. Then I'm going to click on this clipboard right here, and this is going to bring me to my movie render queue. I want to make sure I have this one selected right here. Click on the clipboard, and then right here under settings, I'm going to click on unsave. And down here under settings, you want to make sure you come down here to game overrides, and this is what you want to make sure you have selected. So cinematic quality settings, you want to make sure that you have this selected, and it's going to give you cinematic quality whenever you render it out. If you don't have that on, you're going to be rendering at the specs that you currently have it inside your viewport. So it's important to click that before you render it out. But hopefully this helped you guys out to have a lower end system that still want to run Unreal Engine 5. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I see you soon. Take care.